Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do more of a cool toned look, and with this eyeshadow palette, the Milani Gilded Mini palette. This one is in Call Me Old Fashioned, so I'm going to use that first. Okay, so I'm going to start on my brows, and I'm trying lately I've been trying to use different products for my brows. So I have a tint pen, which is the NYX Lipton Snatch tint pen. This one is in the shade Expresso, and I'm probably gonna skip this part, but because it takes time for me. But I'm just gonna do this. You just kind of like lightly feather it on there. Okay, so I'm going to use a concealer. I don't have an eyeshadow primer yet. This one is just the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, the Hydrating Camo Concealer. Just apply a little bit, and I'm going to use a brush. Okay, and then I'm going to set that with the powder. The powder I'm using is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. Okay, so just jumping right into the palette, I'm going to start with this. I did use it before, but if you see, it's like really nice, cool tone colors. So I'm just going to take it's a crease brush, and I'm going to just lightly tap that in the dark brown color. So I'm switching over to voiceover now. I'm using the matte white color, and I'm just applying it on the center of my lid. Now I'm taking that metallic gray color, and I'm applying it on the middle and outer part of the lid. So I noticed the brush didn't really work. It didn't pull up that much pigment, so I ended up using my fingers to apply the product. So I'm taking that pink salmon color and I'm applying it to the inner part of the lid. Now I'm taking that shimmery white color and I'm applying it in the inner corner just to give the eye look that pop. Now I'm taking the black and I'm adding it on the outer part of the lid, and I'm just patting it in, and then later on I blend it towards the middle. Okay, so I did it super quickly. I think that I used all the colors actually. I'm going to go over the video and just make sure, but I believe I try to use all the colors. It just gives a very soft, cool tone, smoky look. Make an imaginary line. And so I kind of dot where I want it to be. You can see the dot. And then you can see connected. Oh no. Roman Jeremiah. God. Oh my gosh. I'm going to clean up my eye look and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the completed look. I think it looks really pretty. Yeah, I feel like this is a great, like, sultry, smoky type of look. Perfect maybe for an evening. I mean, if you want to wear it for an everyday look, that's good too. For me, it's like a little more intense or glam. So, but I love it. I love it. I don't really gear towards cool tone palettes. So I'm very glad I did with this one. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.